Hey there, Bearcats. This is Angela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do a room swap. Starting out at the SHSU MySam page, you're going to click on Bearcat Life and look for the housing card. From there, you're going to choose Housing Portal. Again, make sure you bookmark this page because you're going to use it throughout the year to do service requests, renew your housing contract, all those good things. So from here, we're going to click on My Room. And as you can see, it's going to show my future fall assignment. So in the last video, I selected Lone Star Hall 338. Come to find out that Natalie, who is my roommate, and I have classes on the other side of campus, so we need to switch halls. We're going to start by clicking on Room Selection / Swap. And this may look familiar. We're just going to go through the same steps and press continue under academic year. And the next page that comes up will again show all of the options that are available to myself and Natalie, my roommate. So I'm going to look for something on the other side of campus. Aha. So let's try Raven Village and see what we can find here. Awesome. So here are the available spaces in Raven. And remember, so I'm looking for a room that has 2 available spaces since I know that I'm going to be rooming with Natalie. So let's cross our fingers and hope that we can find some availability. Here's one. Raven 154, 2 available spaces. Again, we can click on showroom info, and this is available on most floor plans. And I can look and see, this is a good one. It's by the stairs. So we're gonna go with Raven 154. Click on go back so that we can put this in our basket. Okay, Raven 154, add to cart. Again, same as last time when we first selected our rooms, we'll have 10 minutes here to look at other options if we would like to see what else is available, but I'm good with Raven. We're gonna press on save and continue, and that's gonna bring us to the assigned beds. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and assign for both of us. Just make sure you have your roommate's permission to assign for them, and then click assign beds. And our confirmation page shows now that we are in Lone Star Hall, gives us all of our information, check-in, check-out date, and then our academic year amount, as well as our bed spaces down at the bottom. We're going to click on save and continue. And now on the application status page, I can see all of my information at the new location, Raven 154A and Raven 154B for my roommates. And that's it. You're all done. Your swap has taken place and you can log out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Residence Life. Have a great day and eat 'em up, cats.